Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine. And today you will learn about descriptive text. And the learning goals are: you must able to analyze generic structure, social function, language features of a descriptive text. And you must also able to answer the question related with descriptive text. And why we must able to describe something? And why do you must learn about these materials? Because in our daily life, we often tell to someone about a description of something. For example, if you are a tour guide, so you must able to describe a tourism object or a historical building. Okay. Are you ready to learn descriptive text? Okay, what's the definition of descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text which say what a person or a thing is like. And what is the social function of descriptive text? This text is to describe person, thing, or place in specific. How about the generic structure of the descriptive text? The generic structure of descriptive text consists of two parts. The first part is identification. It contains about the introduction of an object will be described. And the other part is description. It contains a description of the object by describing its form, color, size, or anything related with the writer described. How about language features in descriptive text? The first, descriptive text has a specific participant. It means it has a certain object. For example, Indonesia, Borobudur, and another places. And the second, the use of the adjective. The adjective is to clarify the noun. For example, beautiful beach, high building, old temple, and etc. And the third, the use of simple present tense. Because it tells about the fact of the object described or the general truth of the object. And the fourth, action verb. The verb is to show an activity in descriptive text. For example, see, look, run, walk, and etc. This is a sample of descriptive text. I will send this text to Google Classroom, and you must analyze the structure and language features in this text. You must analyze. I will give example. If you want to analyze the structure of the text, you must read all part of this text, and you can identify the first paragraph. This is an identification of the object. So this is identification, and the second and the third paragraph, it is about the description of the object. So it is description. And how about analyze the language features? We can see the simple present in this text. For example, in the first line, Lembah Pelangi waterfall sounds unfamiliar. This is simple present. And in this text also have some adjective. For example, unfamiliar, soft, and etc. The last, we will evaluate you. Do you remember? The generic structure of description text is, what's your answer? A. Orientation, sequence of events. B. Identification, description. C. Thesis, arguments, reiteration. D. Orientation, conflict resolution. The correct answer is yes, B. You are excellent. The second, what is social function of descriptive text? A. To tell past experience. B. To persuade the readers. C. To explain nature phenomena. And D. To describe object. It's very easy. Yes, the correct answer is D. Okay. We have learned about descriptive text. Now we will make a resume or a summary of this presentation. Do you still remember what the generic structure of descriptive text? Yes, the generic structure of descriptive text consists of identification and description. And what is the social function of descriptive text? Yes, the social function of descriptive text is to describe an object. How about the language features? Do you remember? What's the language features of descriptive text? Okay, good. The language features of descriptive text, there are specific participant, adjective, simple present tense, and the action verb. Okay? I hope you will read some descriptive text beside the sample that I will send. And you must also try to write a descriptive text. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video.